Hi, I'm Terry Vincent-Jones, founder and formulator of Synergy Skin. I am a self-confessed skincare geek and a biohacker, and I'm beyond passionate about creating solutions that empower women to take control of their skin health, especially through life's transitions. And that's why I developed PressPause. This is a breakthrough serum specifically designed for women over 40 who are navigating the challenging time of perimenopause and menopause. During these hormonal stages, our skin undergoes significant changes. Collagen declines and skin becomes drier and way more sensitive. And there's also a process where sugar damages the collagen and elastin. This is called glycation, and it accelerates visible aging. Now, this whirlwind of changes can feel so frustrating, but they don't have to define your skin's future. So enter PressPause. This lightweight milk serum concentrate is absolutely packed with my active ingredients to deeply hydrate, firm and protect your skin. This is my science-backed answer to the unique challenges of hormonal skin change, giving you the confidence to embrace every stage of your life with radiant, beautiful, healthy skin. PressPause combines the power of three standout ingredients. Firstly, liposomal soy isoflavones. These phytoestrogens mimic the skin-supporting benefits of estrogen. This hormone is significantly declining during menopause. So, naturally derived soy isoflavones can help to boost collagen while also preventing its breakdown. Secondly, pink microalgae extract. This is clinically proven to protect the skin from glycation aging, which I just spoke about. This powerhouse active improves skin tone and reduces the appearance of solar-induced damage as well as other environmental aggressors. And these take hold more aggressively when our hormone levels decline. Thirdly, carnosine. This dipeptide is a potent antioxidant and an anti-glycation agent that shields your skin from sugar-induced damage. It keeps it more firm and more resilient. Together, these ingredients work harmoniously in synergy to restore hydration, improve elasticity, and protect your skin's natural structure during this transitional phase of your life. Now, as a woman who's already experienced these life stages firsthand, I've essentially designed my dream product, PressPause, that I wish I created years ago, quite honestly. My sincere hope is that PressPause will empower your skin confidence so you can feel radiant at every age and really embrace this stage of your life.